Imagine unlocking every Amiibo reward without buying hundreds of Amiibo figures. That's exactly why people are going crazy over the Flashiibo Pro. This tiny gadget basically acts like a programmable Amiibo emulator for Nintendo Switch. You can load thousands of Amiibo files, switch between them instantly, and use them in games like Zelda, Smash Bros., Animal Crossing, and more. But here's the real question. Is it actually legit or just another scam gadget from the internet? So I dug through Reddit, Amazon reviews, and scam check sites, and surprisingly, most real users say it works. People on Reddit called it the best Amiibo emulator, easy to use, and praised the firmware updates and OLED screen. Amazon review analyzers also gave it a high trust score, saying around 91% of reviews appear authentic. But there's a catch. Some users say these devices are heavily overpriced because similar NFC emulators exist on AliExpress for way cheaper. Others warn that unofficial sellers pretending to be official can be sketchy. So, here's the truth. The device itself seems legit. The scam risk is mostly from overpriced resellers and shady websites. If you buy it, Amazon is probably the safest option because of refunds and buyer protection. Would I recommend it? If you want convenience, easy updates, and a polished experience, yes. But if you're trying to save money, there are cheaper alternatives that do almost the same thing. And honestly, that's what makes the Flashiibo Pro so interesting. It's not selling magic, it's selling convenience. Would you pay extra for convenience? Comment below.